Good morning everybody and welcome to our final maths lesson of the week before you will be back in school and learning will seem a little bit more normal, which is good. So to start with, it says on the screen explain to your partner, but you can either just think about it yourself or if somebody is in the room with you, you can explain it to them. So first of all, I've got this grid here which we've been looking at, and I've got my number sentence. I would like you to think about or explain to somebody, how would you find the answer? And I've put some sentence stems here to help you and some vocabulary. So I'd like you to start with, first I would, next I would, after that I would, and talk them through what you would do, how would you use this to help you find the answer. Off you go. Okay, hopefully you've unpaused the video as you've had a little think about what you would do. So, if I was going to find the answer to this number sentence, first I would draw the number 46 on the grid. Draw the number 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, I would take away 5 ones. Then I would take away 2 tens. And after that, we can find our answer. We've got 1 1 left and 2 tens. So our answer is 21. Hopefully you said something similar. So today we're going to continue looking at subtracting two-digit numbers. But what do you notice is different here? What's changed? Hopefully you recognise we've taken the grid away, and there's also something else that has changed. I've added a measure to my number sentence, and this one means pence, like when we looked at money. So you've got 67p, take away 35p. And I'm going to show you how we'd like you to lay out your workings for today's lesson. So, first, I would draw 67p. $50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, I would subtract my ones, 35p. So I'm going to take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll subtract my tens. I'm subtracting 3 tens. After that, we can count it up to see what we've got left. I've got 1, 2, 3 tens. So I'm going to put 3 here underneath my tens. And I've got 2 ones. So our answer is 32. And we can really clearly lay it out on the page using the square paper without the grid. And that's what we're going to work on today. Let's have a look at this next question. Let's read it together. Ready? 58 millilitres subtract 33 millilitres. Can you remember what we might measure in millilitres? We usually measure liquid in millilitres. So I've got my cup of tea here. We might measure what's inside my mug in millilitres. And if you've done baking that involves you maybe measuring water or milk, you might use your measuring jug to measure in millilitres. So, what do we need to draw first? We need to draw the biggest number, which is 58. 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 ones. How many 10s should we cross out? How many 1s should we cross out? Hopefully you've said we need to cross out 3 1s. And we also need to cross out 3 10s. So we've got 2 10s left. Let's count our 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 1s. So 58 millilitres, take away 33 millilitres equals 25. What do we need at the end of our answer? Millilitres. Well done. 25 millilitres. Well done. Okay, let's have a go at the next one. 98 kilograms, take away 56 kilograms. So this time our measure is kilograms, and we would measure how heavy something is in kilograms. So what do we need to do first? We need to draw the number 98. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, there we go, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 98. Now we need to cross out 56. How many 1s do we need to cross out? We need to cross out 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can see we've got 2 1s left. So this time I'm going to choose to put my answer underneath as I've crossed them out. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Then we need to cross out 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 10s have we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s is the same as 40. So our answer is 42. 42 what? 42 elephants? 42 kilograms. But we could measure how heavy an elephant is in kilograms. Let's have a go at the next one. So what I'd like you to do for this one is you're going to pause the video and have a go at doing it on a piece of paper, and then we'll come back and check your answer. So we've got 63 centimetres, subtract 41 centimetres. So this time we're thinking about measuring the length of something. So pause the video and see what answer you get. Okay, so the answer that I got, which hopefully you got the same, is 22 centimetres. And that's because first I drew 63 centimetres. Then I took away 1 1 and 4 10s, which left me with 22. Okay, just like the last question then, I'd like you to have a go at this one again on a piece of paper. So we've got 76 metres, take away 32 metres. So again, we're measuring the length of something. Off you go and have a go. Okay, hopefully you've got the answer, 44 metres. So you needed to draw 76 metres, take away 2 1s, take away 3 10s to get 44 metres. Let's have a look at our last example then, which we're going to work through together for this one. So this time I've got 47 litres, subtract 37 litres. So I'm going to start by drawing 47. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm going to cross out 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to cross out 3 10s. What do you think our answer is? Let's break it down. We've got 1, 10. What do you notice about our ones? We haven't got any ones. Can you remember, just like when we looked at addition, if there weren't any ones, what number do we put? We put a 0 because there aren't any ones left. So our answer is 10 litres. Well done. So your job today is you're going to have this sheet, and then we would like you to draw your answer. So you might want to do your workings on a separate piece of paper. So write the number sentence on your piece of paper, and then underneath show your workings just like how we drew them in the lesson. So there are lots of different questions. You might notice they're laid out differently. So some of them are written in numbers with measurement. Some of them are written in words, and then again here. So read the question really carefully to help you, and then there are also some challenges on the website as well. Enjoy everyone, bye!